Classical guitar is considered a challenge to record. Recordists and classical guitarists will many times record on location in churches, halls, and auditoriums. The room sound is therefore very important. If the room sound isn't happening, normally we move the microphone closer to the source. With classical guitar, if we move the mic too close to the source, we lose what can be described as the audience's perspective or the ambience inherent in classical recordings. So there are trade-offs, and experimentation is key. Luckily, this room sounds pretty decent, and it's big, so we'll give it our best shot. I asked Michael to bring by what he considered to be the best classical recordings he had ever heard, and some others. After listening to the recordings, we discussed our approach. We tried several different configurations. We used Auralex HoverDeck to decouple the mic stands from the floor. We also tried it as a reflective surface. We also used the Auralex Maxwell as a sort of gobo placed about 10 feet out from Michael, and we placed our mics anywhere from 4 to 8 feet out from his guitar. Because we need to raise our gain settings when distance miking a low output source, room, building, and ambient noise become more critical. We tried both an XY configuration with the KM184s and a spaced stereo pair with the KM183s. Both mic configurations were fed to a variety of input chains. Here we have the KM184s patched into the Millennia M2B and using the Benchmark Media converters. We also have the Neumann TLM103 as a room mic patched directly into the Benchmark MPS 400 and coming XLR out of the MPS 400 to the Digi 002. Let's check it out. Once we capture our tracks in Pro Tools, we can mix them in any way that we like for different effects. Alternately mixing in the XY pair or the room mics. With no effects added, we achieved nice detail and a pleasant ambience. Now let's listen to the same song, but this time with the Omni spaced pair. We were very happy with the results. We concluded that, in this session, the XY configuration might suit guitar destined for a multi-track recording because of its added detail. But the KM183 Omni setup had a sweetness that rivaled most of the CDs Michael had brought by. Nice work.